friends, it's Miss Thomas, and we are back together again. I miss you guys so much. So we're going to jump right on into our lesson. And of course, you know we always have to start off with our objectives, okay? All right, we are going to be doing a pre-K and kindergarten math lesson on sorting, classifying. Sorting and classifying is just another big word for matching, okay? So here is our first objective. We're going to sort objects that are the same and different, and we're going to put them into groups, and then we're going to describe those groups, which means we are going to describe what do we put in those groups. Did we put colors into those groups? Did we put shapes into those groups? Or did we just put things that look alike or that are not look alike in those groups? And then another objective what we're going to be doing, we're going to recognize, and then we're going to create patterns with colors and objects. Are you ready to get started? You are? Well, then give me a woohoo! Great, good job. I heard you. Woohoo! Let's start off with a story. Are you ready? I'm ready. Well, this is a cool classifying book. Remember, classifying is just another way we are matching objects that are the same and matching objects that are different. So the name of my book is called A Pair of Socks. But let's talk about the attributes of the book. We have the what? The front cover. Good, you remembered. We have the back cover of the book. And then we have the spine of the book. Do you remember what the spine of the book does? You do? Great, let me hear you tell me. Yes, it holds the book together. Gosh, you guys are getting good. All right, so let's see what a pair of socks is all about. I like the front cover of the book. It's a dog, and he has a sock in his mouth. Yes. All right, let's open it up. Wow, look at the cool socks. So remember I told you about classifying is just a big word for matching. So you think we're going to be matching some socks since the name of the book is called A Pair of Socks. A pair means two. Okay? So let's see what it does. Or let's see what the book is all about. It says a pair of socks. I've never been worn. It doesn't seem fair. I'm missing my match. I'm not part of a pair. So here's the sock. It's sticking out of a drawer. He said, hey, I've never been worn before. That's not fair. I need to find my pair. He said, I need to match. This one's stinky and grimy because it says it's in the laundry. When it's in the laundry basket, that means that it's stinky and grimy. Is that a match? No. And this one is not quite like me. So here he is. Look at the socks. Are they the same? Do they go together? Do they match? No, they do not match. So we cannot classify them together. We cannot match them together. Well, this one's fuzzy and slimy. So it must be in the wash. Do you think this one is going to match? Do you think this one we can classify it together? Not the same, I can see. So remember, it's all fuzzy. So here they are. Do you think they're the same? Can we match them together? Can we classify them? No. Good job. I like your thinking. All right, let's see what's next. Well, this one is all warm and fuzzy. Speaking of warm and fuzzy, did you feel that Cool weather outside today? Yeah. So I like things that are fuzzy. So this sock is going to be warm and fuzzy. Do you think it's going to match? No? Yes? Well, let's find out. Let's turn the page. Not just red and blue. So let's check it out. They match. No, this one has a dinosaur on it. Then it has a red end. Let's look at them side by side. Do they match? Can we classify them together? No way. We cannot classify them. We cannot match. One has a dinosaur on it and the other one has stripes. Said this one's folded and puffy. So he's looking at the socks. It's folded and puffy. Do you think it matches? Do you think we can classify it together? Let's check it out. But spots are wrong too. So let's look at it. He has stripes. He has spots. So do they match? No way. I like that you're looking. Yes. Let's see. Well, I've been grabbed by the pup. There's the puppy. The puppy has the sock. His basket's not far. So do you think the puppy is going to help him find his match? You do? I hope so. Yeah, I hope he helps find his match. I was gonna give up, but here you are. Look at the puppy. Did the puppy help him find his match? It almost looks like it, doesn't it? Oh, let's cross our fingers and let's hope so. Let's turn the page. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I finally found you. But my heel has been torn. What terrible luck. We still won't be worn. So he did find his match. But look what happened to the heel of the sock. It's all torn out. Oh my goodness, he said we have terrible luck because the heel is torn out. It says we still can't wear it. Our problem is solved with a simple blue patch. We'll travel together, me and my match. So there he goes. So here he is, and then he put a blue patch on the sock. So look at them now. Do they match? Can we classify them together? Hip hip hooray! We can classify them together because they match. So here's my question. Did the puppy help match the socks together? He did, didn't he? Yes, he did. Oh, that makes me so happy. It says, can you find the match for each sock? Oh, wow. I think I can. Let's see. Let's start with the dinosaur. Here's the dinosaur. Is there another dinosaur sock on here? It is? Where? There it is. Cool. All right, let's look at the polka dot socks. Is there another polka dot sock we can match? Can we classify it together? We can? You found it? There he is. Good looking out. All right, let's look at the striped sock. Can we find its match? Can we classify him together with another sock? We can. Well, let's look for him. There he is. Cool beans. Yes. All right, let's look at this one. This one has blue and little shades of blue. Do we have another sock that looks like it's blue and red and shades of blue? Yes, there he is, way up over there. We can classify them together. That means they match. All right, let's do one more. Here is the sock that was looking for his match in the book. Can you find his match? Can you classify him? You can? Yep, there he is. Awesome. Can you kiss your brain? Mwah. I love myself. Can you say that? I love myself because that means we are really doing a great job by looking, matching, and what's that big word? Classifying. Yes, classifying. Let's see if we have anything else to do in the book. Nope. That's it for a pair of socks. I think I like this book better than the other books we were reading together. Well, are you ready to classify some things together? You are? Me too. All right, I'm going to put my book down. I'm going to turn my board around so that we can use the white side of the board to classify, to match. I have a bag of buttons, and we are going to match the buttons together. That means we're going to classify the buttons. I have some circle buttons, I have some triangle buttons, and I have some square buttons, okay? So first, let's classify, let's match the buttons by their shape. Let's match the buttons by their shapes, okay? So you're going to help me out. I'm going to pull the first button out. What's the first button? Yes, that's a circle button. All right. I'm going to put him right here. So that's one shape. Let me pull out another shape. I have another shape. That shape is a square. All right. We're going to classify him by him. So we're going to put him up there. So far we have a circle and we have a square. Our next shape is going to be a triangle. All right. So remember, we are classifying or we're matching by the shape. So I'm going to put the shape over here. Okay. There we go. So now we have our circles, our squares, and our triangles. All right. I'm going to pull another one out. I pulled out another circle. Guess what? He's green. Does he go with the circle? Does he go with the square? Or does he go with the triangle? Remember, we're classifying by the shape. If you said he goes with the circle, you are right. Circle goes with circle. All right, let's pull out another one. Let me see. What do we have in here? Oh, wow. I have a square, a yellow square. Does the square go with the circle? No way, Miss Thomas. Does the square go with the triangle? No. Well, does the square go with the square? Absolutely doodly. Give me a thumbs up if you said yes. A square go with a square. Good job. Yes. All right. So let's put the square with the square. All right. Let's pull out another one. So guess what we're going to get? We're probably going to get a... Let me see. I'm looking for a what? How about here's coming? We have a triangle. He's a small triangle. So where did he go? Does he go with the circles? No, Miss Thomas. Does he go with the squares? No, Miss Thomas. Or does he go with the triangles? Yes, Miss Thomas. He goes with the triangles. There we go. Look at that. We classified some shapes. We classified circles go with circles. We classified squares go with squares. And we classified triangles go with triangles. I'm going to pull another one out. Look at this one. What is this one? Yes, it's a blue circle. So does the blue circle go with the triangles? No way, Miss Thomas. Does the blue circle go with the squares? No way, Miss Thomas. So that means circles go with circles. Yes, circles go with circles. There we go. Circles go with circles. All right, I'm going to pull another one out. Da-da-da-da. It's another blue shape, but what shape is it? That's right. It's a square. Where does the square go? Does the square go with the circles? It does. Oh, because you see a blue there. Remember, we are doing shapes. We're classifying by shapes. Circle go with circle. Square go with square, and triangle goes with triangle. So if this is a square, where do our squares go? That's right. Our squares go to squares. Awesome. Okay, we're going to do one more. Let's find. So we're going to look for a triangle. You got it. I'm looking for a green triangle. So here we go. There's our triangles. Remember, again, we are classifying by the shape. Circle go with circle, square go with square, and triangle go with triangle. So if I have a triangle, where will the triangle go? Yeah? Great. The triangle's going to go with the triangle. Good job. I like your thinking. Guess what we did? We did some classifying by shapes. Remember, classifying is just another big fancy word for matching. We matched the circles with the circles. We matched the squares with the squares. And we matched the triangles with the triangle. We classified the objects. We put them in a group. And we talked about it. We described what we did with the groups. Are you ready to do some more classifying? Absolutely, we're ready for some more classifying. All right, let's take the shapes off. We're going to put them right here. Okay, you ready? Yes. So that's what we did by shapes. How about we classify by size? Well, Miss Thomas, how we classify by size? Guess what? I'm glad you asked that tough question. We're going to show you how we classify by size. I'm going to pull out some bears. Look at this bear. That's like he a big bear or just like he is a small bear? If you said a big bear, you're absolutely right. So let's put the big bear on here. We're going to put him on my board right there. All right. And then we're going to classify. Then now we're going to do another bear. Look at that bear. Do you think that bear is small or do you think that bear is big or large? All right. Well, I'm going to put him next to this other one and then you're going to tell me if he is small or big. So we have the green bear. You told me the green bear is big, Miss Thomas. You're right. Now look at the red bear. The red bear, is he big? Or is he small or little? You got it. Yes, he's small. So that means we're going to classify now some objects of how small they are or how large they are. Last time, remember with the shapes, we classified by the shapes. Circles, squares, and triangles. Now we're going to classify by size. Is it big or large? Or is it small or little? Okay. All right, let me get my box of bears. I'm going to pull it out. It's all the way back here in the back. Okay. Look, I pulled out a bear. Is that bear big or is that bear small? I don't know, Miss Thomas. Let's find out. I'm going to pull them all out. I'm looking. Let's see. I got to pull them all out back here in the back so we can get them ready to go. Then I'm going to put my box down here. Here we go. So we are looking for a bear. He is a big bear. So does the big bear go to the big card? Or does the big bear go to the little card? If you said big bear goes to big bear, you're right. That's right. Big bear goes to big bear. So I'm going to put him right there. So hopefully big bear stays on big bear. All right, let me find another bear. Oh, here's a blue bear. Remember, we're classifying by size. So is big bear big or is big bear little? I think big bear is big. Yes, so let's put big bear next to big bear. There we go. There's big bear. Big bear's next to big bear. All right, let's find. Look at this bear. Is he a big bear or is he a little bear? You got it. He's a little bear. So does little bear go with big bear, or does little bear go with little bear? Little bear goes with little bear. So let's put him right there. All right, let's find another bear. Look at this bear here. Is he a big bear? Big. Or is he a little bear? He's a little bear. Awesome. So let's put little bear with big bear? No way, Miss Thomas. Little bear goes with little bear. There you go. We're going to stick it right there. All right. Let's do two more. Here's a bear. Yes, he's blue. Thank you for letting me know what color he is. Yes, he's blue. But we're talking about, is he big or is he little? Yes, he is a little bear. So on my cards, does little bear go with little bear? Or does little bear go with, does little bear go with the big bear card? Or does little bear go with the little bear? That's right, little bear goes with little bear. There we go. Little bear goes with little bear. Good job. Guess what? We classified two ways so far. We classified by the shape. Circle goes with circle. You got it. Square goes with square. And triangle goes with triangle. All right, now we just classified by size. Do we go with the big size? And do we go with the little size? So again, big goes with big and little goes with little. You guys are doing a great job. I love it, and I love your thinking. You did a good job on grouping. Now we're going to do one more thing together. Now we're going to create a pattern. A pattern? What's a pattern, Miss Thomas? A pattern is something that repeats. It goes over and over and over again. Yeah, you ready to do a pattern? Yes. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to take our bears off, because we are going to make a pattern with our shapes. So we're going to pull the shapes back out. You ready? So let me move the bears out of the way. Move the bears out of the way. We're going to move the bears out of the way. And we're going to make a pattern using the shapes. Yes, we're going to create a pattern using the shapes. So we are going to create a AB pattern. A AB pattern, we're going to create it by squares and by circles. And we're going to create it with the color. So my first one is going to be a green, green square? Miss Thomas had a thought on her brain. So we're going to go with a green square. So let's put it right there. And next we're going to go with let's do a circle. How about that? A red circle. Okay. All right. So far we've created the pattern. We've created a green square, red circle. So what do you think is going to come next in the pattern? If we have square, circle, square, circle, what's going to come next? A square. What color square? Green? Yep. Let's find a green square. I'm trying to find a big one for us, but if I can't find a big one, we'll have a little one. All right, so we have a green square. Remember, we're talking about the pattern of the shape, okay? All right, then next we have a red circle in our pattern. Look at that. We have a square, circle, square, circle. What's going to come next in our pattern? Let's start over, because sometimes I have to start over too. You got it? We have a square, circle, square, circle. Square is going to come next, and it's going to be a green square. Yes, a green square. A green square. All right, you ready to say it with me now? Okay, let's start over. We always start from our left, and we go all the way to the right. So we have square, circle, square, circle, square. What's going to come next? Yes, it's going to be a circle. Woo-hoo! It's going to be a circle. Look at that, friends. We made a pattern with shapes and colors. Are you ready to go over the shape again? Are you ready to go over the pattern again? You are. So am I. Give me a holy moly guacamole. Let me hear you say it. Yeah, holy moly guacamole. Here we go. Let's do our patterns. You ready? Let's go. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Good job at saying the shapes. Now, can we do the colors? Yeah, we can. Let's do the colors. Green, red, green, red, green, red. Fantastic. Well, we have time for one more pattern. Are you ready? Absolutely. Let's do it. All right. How about we do a pattern with triangle? How about a yellow triangle? You ready? We're going to put it up here. How about a yellow triangle and a blue triangle? How about a yellow triangle and a blue triangle? So far we have yellow, blue, yellow, blue. What's going to come next after the blue? Keep thinking. What's going to come next after the blue? It's going to be a yellow. Awesome. It's going to be a yellow. So we have yellow, blue, yellow. Ba-da-ba-da. It's going to be a blue. So let's find a blue. It's going to be a blue triangle. I'm looking for my triangles. Okay, there we go. A blue triangle. Awesome. There we go. Are we ready to do the pattern again? Yep, let's do the pattern. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. What's going to come next? A yellow. It's going to be a yellow, what shape? A yellow what? Yes, a yellow triangle. Oh my goodness, guys, you did an amazing job with Miss Thomas. I am so proud of you. We did 2 patterns. So we did a lot of classifying today. And I love you guys for that. So we do our pattern one more time, okay? Let's do it. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Great. And what's the shape of that pattern? Triangles. Yes, triangles. I am so excited that you guys had a chance to classify with me. Do you remember what I told you what the word classify means? It's just a big fancy word for matching. Yes, we match things that look alike. That means the same. And we can match things that are not alike. That's different. I know you can do it. So I hope that when you're done with me, you're going to go find some things in your house that you can match. Especially socks. Yes, socks are a great way to match. Okay, friends? Well, that's all the time I have with you today. I'm going to see you next time. And until then, bye, friends. Have a good day. Okay? Do good. Remember, count. Do some patterns. Do some classifying. Yay! See you later, guys. Bye.